This jug is brought to you. Yo, it's your boy Badlands Chugs, and I just want to let you know that Badlands Chugs merch is on, alright? Yo, if you want the official Badlands Chugs DOS boot signed and everything, you want the merch, you want the keychains, man, yo, it's all at badlandschugsmerch.com, alright? Visit Badlands Chugs merch for all your Badlands Chug stuff. We got new shirts, new designs. Go tell a friend and check it out. badlandschugsmerch.com. Oh yeah. It's Cinco de Mayo, folks. And oh my goodness, what's in this bag is something that's rarely seen, rarely chugged. Today, we're chugging Sidral Mundet. Ooh, don't touch that mouse. You're watching Badlands Chugs. What's good, folks, and welcome back to another edition of Badlands Chugs. Happy Cinco de Mayo to you, and oh my gosh, today we're chugging something different, all right? I mean, I've done Topo Chico, I've done Jarritos, and I've done all those other sodas, but I haven't done this one. This one, my friends, is Sidral Mundet. Oh, I hope I'm saying it right. It's an apple soda. It's from Mexico. It's caffeine-free, and I hear it's totally delicious. I've never tried this, so this is going to be a treat for me. Oh my goodness. I did a poll, as I always do, asking y'all, how should I chug this, okay? You know, should I do it just one? Should I do it in a DOS boot filled with ice? Or should I do that double barrel business? And of course, it's unanimous. Double barrel business wins again, all right? So, you know my saying, one's not enough, you gotta have two, all right? So, we about to do this for Cinco de Mayo, okay? So, there's nothing left to do but to step into the chug zone, all right? Hush, doggy. All right, now, let's crack this open. Yes, I'm the dog whisperer in this backyard. When I say hush, doggy, doggy's hush. Okay, that's the one open. Let's crack this one open. Yeah. Oh, yeah. All right. Oh, yeah. Appley, all right? Even though it has 1% apple juice in it, it's super appley, all right? So, man, there's nothing left to do but to grab one, to grab two, and we're not saving none for OK Hip Hop today. But I do want you to check out the beat that you hear. And if you like the beat you hear, it's up there. Man, turn the camera around, let them know what's going on. Come on,
Wait,
OK
what?
Hip Hop. Yeah, turn the camera around.
Hey, what's up? I made the beat. Go check it out. It's either here or here. All right.
Enough talk, folks. Oh my gosh. The carbonation was too much for your boy. It's still coming. But No chug left undone. So, yeah. Woo. All right. This is good. Sidral Mundet. I hope I'm saying it right, all right? So, happy Cinco de Mayo to everyone, all right? Thanks so much for watching. Enjoy your Cinco de Mayo. And yo, come back tomorrow. Tomorrow is another chug. And oh, hold on, folks. And while I'm at it, big congratulations to Dame Drops. Yo, you know that show he did, Fresh, Fried, and Crispy on Netflix? Well, he got nominated for an Emmy, all right? Big congratulations to Dame Drops, all right? That's what's up, my dude. So, yo, if you don't know the show, links in the description down below. But, yo, that's it for Badlands Chugs. Thank you so much. Enjoy your day. And we are out. Peace. Chugging the world, one bottle at a time. Badlands Chugs is back. Don't touch that mouse, folks. It's your boy, Badlands Chugs, and I am on Cameo, okay? You need a personalized shout out, maybe a happy birthday, maybe a happy anniversary, congratulations on the new job, the wedding, anything at all. And do you need it with a chug of your choice? You let me know what you want me to do, and I'll do it for you. 24-hour delivery is available, and if you want me to promote your business, book your boy. Cheers.